What's up, guys? How we doing? Hey, it has rained all day. It's about 4, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I've wanted to go fishing all day. I had some guys that told me that the kingfish bite was solid, and I've wanted to go get on it. So the rain finally broke. As you saw, it's still overcast. We got about 2 hours left of daylight. Let's go and see if we can't catch a kingfish. I haven't fished in like a week, I'll tell you guys honestly. Like this whole past week, I haven't done nothing. I haven't even really gone bike riding. Maybe I'm a little depressed. I don't know. But we're gonna go fishing right now. I'll be back with you once we get back out there. Well, guys, we just broke 40 feet of water. I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit nervous. It's not every day I go offshore. I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. That's a joke. That's a joke. But no, seriously, I don't fish deep very often, but I want to catch a kingfish. Oh my God. Maybe I should turn back. It's getting a little deep out here. Just got to a spot called the Bubble. I haven't even put a bait out yet. We're gonna do a drift. There's some guys fishing over there. Let's see if we can't get a bite. Hold on, where's my net? Oh. We got a load of bait. Probably way more bait than what I need. So, I just want you guys to know, I like this so much more alive. All right, now let me put a bait.
Cap Stevie.
Hey, what's up there, Cap? Actually, I heard one of my customers railed the kings today. So, they railed them. So I'm actually offshore to see if I can catch one. That guy is going for the robbery of being on his kids. You remind me of myself, son. He's talking with that move that they taught in self-defense. About to kill his knife move with the confidence. There we go. There we go, guys. We got it on. Whoa! There we go. That's right. Whoa! That's why we're out here. That's why I'm here. I think he might be a little snagged. Oh! Yo, trout reel catches everything, guys. Everything. We take that damn thing everywhere. got them jumping. When they want to go, they go. Now look, I want to say this is fishing that anybody can do. My drag isn't very tight, but this is stuff anybody can do. You know what I'm saying? Anybody can come out here. We're in 100 feet of water. We're at the boil. And we're going to go home. Well, you guys see, I don't know if you guys can see the rain coming in. Have to be 24 inches. He looks close, so we're going to try to be a little respectful. We're going to try to gaff it in the tail where it's not going to be too bad. Come here. Oh no, he's keeping. There we go, boys. There we go. We got him on. We got him on. We came out here with a mission and we got it done, boys. We got it done on the trout rod. Phillips is over here like saying, is that mine? All right, guys, now we're headed back in. I don't know how much of the video I got because all of a sudden I looked around and my phone was dead. I did land 2 kings. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to bless somebody random. If there's anybody on the seawall, we're going to bless somebody with the fish. Because somebody blessed me with fish this morning. So I'm gonna pay it for it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give on to the next guy. If I see a nice family fishing on the seawall, we're gonna go give them the fish. Now, just came in the inlet, and there's a whole lot of people fishing. Let's bless somebody with a fish. I see a nice family right there. See him? See him right there? Hey, Papa. Yo. You want a fish? Yeah? Reel in your line real quick so I don't run it over. I'm gonna give you a kingfish. A kingfish. Do you want a kingfish? Yeah. See? Yeah. Yeah. Reel in your line. Well. Thank you. Hey, you guys have a nice day. Now let's go give it one more. I don't think he understood what I was trying to do at first. I don't think he understood. I got 2 kings. I'm going to give away the second one. Let's find somebody else. Oh, let me get that king ready. I know. Let's see. Let's find a nice family. See, that was a nice family, and I felt like it was just the right thing to do, you know? Let's see. You want a fish? You want it? Sorry guys, I'll only be a minute. Whoop. Whoop. Huh? Well, I had two, but I gave the other one to them. I gave the other one, look, and you caught a fish. No, it's okay, it's okay. And you caught a fish. I gave the other fish to those people up there. I'm sorry, I saw them first. Damn, should have caught more fish, huh? But I'm only allowed 2 kings. All right, have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I prefer the lives, I gotta tell you the truth.